All right, what's up, guys? Welcome to this video. So in this video, let's talk about CrakRevenue. I'm going to show you inside my CrakRevenue here. This is an affiliate network. It's CPA marketing, if you've never heard of it. I've been doing this for years, and it's one of the networks I use. There's a lot more out there. There's one called ClickBank. There's one called Sell Health. There's even Amazon affiliate. Then there's Max Bounty, and I don't like to go in and show my results often and my dashboards and stuff. It's best to not have people pocket watch you all the time. But I'm going to show you some things here because I haven't done an update video like this in a while. And if you want results like this, right here, then I'm telling you right now, you need to learn from me. You need to learn from me. And there's so much to learn. Literally, and nowadays with the free traffic methods, this can be massive profits, even more than paid ads, obviously. Because when you build up so much content out there that's linking to your links effectively, you're just printing money, getting conversions all the time. And there are several sites to leverage for this, but it's almost endless. All the big sites out there that everyone knows, like X or Reddit or whatever, but then there's secret sites to leverage, and I share that inside my program. That's inside the school community in the classroom section. But let's show this. So these are some new offers I want to show real quick. So there's the Secrets AI one, then there's Playboy. This just came out. This is a brand new offer, and everyone knows that's a big offer. This is a big offer. This is a big site right here. They got a ton of new sites out now, like all these huge, basically tube sites, but are paid, basically content sites. But then there's just a ton of offers out there all the time. I was just working with an offer owner recently and basically told him how he could basically upload his own offer to CrakRevenue, and that's a great traffic source. So if you're an offer owner, I'm telling you right now, you just need affiliates to promote your offer, and let's just pay a fair amount that's fair, and you will get tons of traffic and make a great amount of money just doing that instead of marketing it your own and trying to figure it out all on your own. If you just literally upload for affiliates to promote, you're all set. Just literally upload your offer for affiliates. They will promote in their own unique expert ways. Some people are experts at just doing Google ads or adult ads, or they have email lists or their own audiences on different sites, or they have their own website or whatever. Everyone is an expert or already has an audience, and you just need affiliates to see your offer and just promote it. And pay a good amount and have a high converting offer. You're all set. So let's look at this. This is what I like to do. I do like to see newest offers because then you can have a competitive advantage, take action fast on a new offer. But then there are the highest EPC offers, and this is common knowledge for all of us affiliates. But when you look at the top EPC offers, you're going to see some of the top offers by default. Like these are like some of the top offers. A lot of them are really good, but a lot of them are very saturated. And what I recommend for saturated offers is understand they are high converting, without a doubt. They convert high, that's very clear. But with paid ads, because they're so saturated, it's very hard to make profitable. So it's either you find a unique angle, a unique country, unique targeting, or just very cheap ways to advertise that just works. But I usually recommend just do free traffic with these overly saturated offers, and you're going to do very well. So for example, super saturated offer, but super high converting free traffic. For example, that one. Same with this one. Same with this one. And then anything AI related nowadays, it's pretty clear that's the future. And it even applies to this whole industry. And I'm telling you right now, anything with AI converts really good. Made great money with this offer. It converts great. Let's see. Any dating sites can do good, but there's just so many of them. It's sometimes hard to promote, but it's good just to promote the best ones. If there's a new dating site that's brand new and you're like, oh, this looks like this could be a good one, and it pays really well, you can start testing with paid traffic and see if it gets conversions with your marketing angles, and then it's worth promoting even further. Now, promoting OF models can be good. It depends on your traffic source, your knowledge, how you're getting traffic, what type of traffic it is. And then you can promote a ton of them because there's a ton of these OF kind of models, basically. And you can promote them. You can promote a ton of them. You can have a whole link tree promoting a ton of them. You can have a whole landing page linking to a ton of them. And people will select who they want to follow. And you will make a commission for everyone you're promoting that converts. So it's just really, really powerful, really effective, and some really good money to make. So hopefully this tutorial helps. It's just about picking offers and then knowing how to get traffic. At the end of the day, it's literally get traffic, get high conversion rates as high as you possibly can, monetize in as many ways as possible, and then you're just printing money. And you don't have to do any fulfillment. It's just commissions you're making 24/7, and that's it. And then another fun thing to see is the highest payout. So the highest payout here is this offer right here, and it pays almost $300. And obviously getting a sale, that's really good. So with paid traffic, let's say you spend $200 and then you get a sale for that. That's pretty good. And it allows you to spend more to get more traffic and hopefully get a conversion. But what I like is when you make all profit, and everyone likes this, when it's all profit, and you're just doing free traffic and you're promoting really high converting, high paying offers. At the end of the day, that's what this is all about. If there was an offer that paid $1,000 and it converts at 5% with free traffic, you'd go crazy with free traffic. Even paid, but free would be even better. You know what I mean? So if you want to learn what I know about how to leverage free traffic, not paid, because paid is much harder. It's got a learning curve. You're going to spend money, you're going to take risks, but free traffic, then I highly recommend getting to the classroom section inside the school community, link down below. And the price is what it's at, and it's worth the investment. You will learn how to leverage free traffic. You will learn how to literally step by step how to leverage the traffic sources. You can bulk upload a ton of free content to these platforms. I teach the nuances and details and ways to avoid mistakes, and then just how to stack up a ton of content out there that's linking to your links, getting you a ton of affiliate commissions all the time. You can promote offers like this, and I also teach how you can sell content. So it's like two methods in one, and even more than that in a lot of ways, because you can apply it to pretty much anything within this whole industry. So you can sell content, you can promote OF, you can do an OF agency, you can obviously promote affiliate offers and make easy money instantly just doing that. So you just start stacking up tons of content out there. I teach you how to leverage every single platform. I teach you how to make the content. I teach the most important thing, which is how to actually get the content. And if you want to contact me to buy content from me or have me make content for you with AI, you can ask for my rates and my pricing around that, and I can do that for you to give you content to market that will do super effective, but also give you content you can sell, which is really powerful. And how to actually sell it. Like, because it's kind of regulated, you don't know how to sell this stuff. Trust me. There are mistakes made 24/7 with that. So you need to know the nuances of actually how to sell content, which is one of the most lucrative ways to go about this whole industry. Most of the offers is just content selling, or they are dating sites basically, or campsites. But at the end of the day, it's all content. It really is just content. So this is a game of content. This is a business of content. So if you sell your own content, you make all profit. You can price whatever you want, have full control. The money's sent directly to you. And it's just way more money. And you can do affiliate marketing on top of that as well. So I teach all of that inside the program. You can check that out. Or if you want one-on-one mentorship, just contact me for that. Book a call with me or my team. I'm telling you right now, it's the best return on investment you can possibly get. I've been doing this for years. Affiliate marketing has been seriously great, but I haven't showed much of the results of how much you can make just selling content. Selling content at scale is no joke. People buy it like crazy. You could do recurring charges. You could do one-time charges. The conversion rates are great, especially with free traffic. You can use paid traffic to boost your best content. You can also do retargeting ads, which is super cheap and highly effective to people who have seen your pages. And you can make your own custom pages. You can make your own custom website. Okay, you can build a huge website around this. Now with AI, real models are literally getting shut down. Like, it's not converting nearly as well for real models nowadays. It's now AI models, believe it or not. And that's just crazy to think about. But it's just human psychology at the end of the day. And it's about how do you just make extreme money with this and do it right. And this is the game. I'm telling you right now, this is the game. This is what works. It's all AI. It's AI content. And sell AI content. You can just sell real content if you want. Adult content's out there abundantly for free. It's about making unique content that actually converts and sells and gets attention, especially so on the front end of your marketing for free or paid, you're able to get extremely high click-through rates and people interested. And then it's going to convert super, super high because it stands out. It's all about standing out. That is literally the name of the game. I teach all that inside the program. This is just an extra income stream for me. And if you want to seriously crush it with this, I am telling you right, I'm not even showing like half of the results here. Okay, like selling content, other freaking affiliate sites, the back end data, and just the whole, just examples of everything, the freaking content, the ads, everything. I'm telling you right now, this is a no-brainer. If you want to crush it with this, there's low competition. No one knows what they're doing. It's super low, not strict at all. You just have to know the ways around certain strict things like payment processors and stuff and how to collect payments, which is one of the biggest breakthroughs I had, along with how to leverage free traffic. Because I was always doing paid traffic over the years, which paid traffic is still super powerful, But free traffic is epic because it just keeps compounding. It's passive, it grows, and it becomes endless pretty much. And it's so scalable. It's so scalable. You got endless content out there linking. You got watermarks on your content. People are sharing it, downloading it, re-uploading it, different sites out there. It's all watermarked, and you're getting tons of clicks to your site. And how to sell. Like the details how to do this, I'm telling you, it's powerful. Also, if you want consulting about how to and have me actually improve your conversion rates with anything you're doing, copywriting, make ads for you, make content for you, literally consult you and give coaching to you, anything you want, done for your funnels, done for your websites, anything, let me know, okay? So I'm taking on clients right now. That's why I'm making this video. I don't do this all the time. I wish I made more content all the time, which I will in the future here, more lifestyle content, more stuff in the future when I move. And we'll see what happens. Probably gonna move to Florida. But yeah, thank you so much. Peace out. Book a call with me or my team. Get inside the program. It's totally free to join the community, first off. But then the program is whatever price it is at right now. And I'm telling you, it's worth it, whatever price it's at right now. Even if it was $50,000, it is for sure worth it. And just getting the skills and knowledge that you just suddenly have through intellectual property given to you, and then you can start getting results with it. It's a no-brainer. Nothing beats it on the planet. It's like transferring information that's valuable that can get you results. Nothing beats that, and that's what this is. So book a call with me. I'll figure out the best offer for you and the best way to help you win based off your current situation, what you want to do, etc. And we'll work out a deal that's very, very fair, a win-win situation. And that's it. Thank you so much, and peace.